Ladies and gentlemen, this is Azza and Ares Auto. Today I'll be working on the 2008 Nissan Maxima. A little background story. This customer of mine went on a trip, and when he was coming back, he had drivability issues. Later discovered that two coils was bad. Those coils were replaced, and they got bad again. Now discovered that the problem was the ECM. So I've programmed the ECM. So after programming it, we also discovered that the throttle body was not performing well. So it has been changed now. They call me to come and program it. I'm not the mechanic handling it. I'm just simply doing the programming aspect of the job. So they have replaced the throttle body. This is the old one. They replaced it with a new one. So by the time they start the engine, it was not firing well. Let's start and see. So you can see the rev. Now I'm going to depress the accelerator pedal, and you will see fully depressed. You can see it's struggling. You can see it's struggling. It's not revving fine. So I will try to adapt the throttle body to the car. So let's just run the diagnosis. So let us save.
They don't get better call. It's straight to this one.
Oh, thank you, sir. So as you can see, we have this total position sensor 1, 2. Then we also have this etc function. So we are going to look at this. Let us go back. Let's look at blood pressure, idle line, self line. Let's see. So one of the conditions is that the temperature must be a minimum of 70 degrees centigrade. So I'm not going to run this test yet. I will have to first of all see the temperature, because I just started the car, so I believe the temperature is still low. I can start the engine. So let me see the coolant temperature. We are at 59 degrees centigrade. So we'll have to wait till the temperature heats up. So I'll pause the video for now. So the temperature is okay now to run that test. So we are running the test now. Current temperature is 76 degrees centigrade. So you are going to start. I've started. So we are still, the idle line, the idle air volume is still lining. All the conditions are still met. The temperature is below 80 degrees centigrade. They're supposed to be 70 and 100 degrees centigrade, but we're advised not to go above 80 degrees centigrade. The battery voltage is okay. The speed we are stopped. The transmission is on pack. Everything, every condition is met. So it's still executing. I'll pause the video when it is done. Come back. So I'll leave here and let me erase error code.
Is that the work?
I'm not sure.
No, you remove the wire.
I remove the wire so that I go fit may no chop battery.
Okay, make a leave am, make a close am.
Leave am. You want close this thing?
Make a just close am because of rain.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay. So we're going to start again now. Okay. So we have erased the codes. So we are going to see if those codes are going to come back. Oh, this fourth code all of a sudden. Okay, those other fourth codes that have to do with the ETC Those ones have gone off. So we have the camshaft position sensor bank 2 and cam circuit. So those ones are off for now. I will allow the car idle for a while. We'll just test drive the car and see the performance. We are currently test driving the car. Unfortunately, it is raining and it's going smoothly. For the transmission, we are trying to see if those error codes that was there will come up. But the durability has improved tremendously. Let me check and see if those error codes that were there initially, as regards the throttle body, will still come up. So this is the code. After test driving, we have stopped now. After test driving, these are the codes there. None of them related to the none of them is related to the throttle body. Let's go back to the former. Let's go back to the code that we had before. So you can see when I scanned it initially before I started working, you can see the ETC function circuit. This one was there already, so that one was the pending fault. That was not what I was called to come and program. This was there, this was there, and this was there. So those code now has been taken care of after programming the throttle body to the vehicle, and the durability has improved. But however, I will tell him to work on this camshaft position sensor. Then this throttle signal too was taken care of. All this was the only thing that we now have is this engine speed, because these ones haven't passed signal history. So this engine speed, I will draw his attention to that. So this is an arrest. So kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you for watching.